So we're just about done wrapping up our list of top gadgets this 2024. I mean, it's already December after all. And if you want to know more about all of our top smartphone picks this 2024, you can do so by checking out the YouTube channel of YugaTech. In this video, we're going to be looking at cameras. Specifically, we'll be listing down what we think are some of the most amazing cameras released in 2024. That way, you can level up your photos and videos to make even better memories this holiday season and also the years to come. So, without further ado, I'm Steph from YugaTech, and let's dive right in. So let's start things off with the GoPro Hero 13 Black to their portable action camera. It still features the similar dimensions to the GoPro Hero series we've already come to love, but now it can record up to 5.3K video at 60 FPS. It also has hyper smooth stabilization and supports up to 13 times burst slow-mo. For those who love taking slow-mo videos though, it can support up to 400 FPS at 720p, 360 FPS at 900p, and 120 FPS at 5.3K. This means you can take some of the most cinematic shots imaginable. Best of all, you don't even need to carry a bulky gimbal around with you. Those into color grading and cinematography, you won't be disappointed too, since it supports 10-bit color and Rec.2100 color space. While you can use a separate mic, the GoPro Hero 13 Black comes with a built-in mic. Users can choose between a balanced soundstage or a voice setting that enhances vocal clarity. In terms of connectivity, the small action camera now has support for Wi-Fi 6, promising up to 40% faster transfers. The device can also track speed, path, terrain, altitude, G-force, and provides assistance in geotagging if you need it. But perhaps the biggest upgrade GoPro made to the Hero 13 Black is the battery. It now packs a larger 1900 mAh battery, which is a 10% improvement compared to its predecessor. According to GoPro, it can offer 1.5 hours of continuous recording at 4K at 30 FPS and even 5.3K at 30 FPS. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is priced at 25,990 pesos for the standalone version, while the Creator Edition retails at 38,990, which includes a Volta Power Grip, Media Mod, and Light Mod. Perfect for vlogs if you want to travel light. Moving on, we have what is a direct competition of the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Insta360 has definitely made a name for itself with its 360-degree cameras, but in this video, we're looking at the Ace Pro 2. This one doesn't have a 360-degree camera, but instead it comes with a 157-degree wide-angle Leica Sumarit lens. To match the lens, users also have access to Leica color profiles on this action camera, which is amazing. Under the hood, it uses a 1/1.13-inch sensor that allows for up to 8K video recording and even capture photos at up to 50 megapixels. What makes this camera unique is a 5nm AI chip, which now comes with a Pro imaging chip. With the large lens and the AI chip, Insta360 says users will have great clarity even in low light conditions. As mentioned earlier, the maximum recording is 8K at 30 FPS, but there is also slow-mo available, 240 FPS on 1080p and 120 FPS on 4K. It can't record 10-bit footage, but there is pure video, which reduces noise while brightness and details are enhanced. If you're into vlogs, what makes the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 great for vlogging is the 2.5-inch flip-up touchscreen display. This makes it easier for users to see themselves when shooting a vlog. It also comes with a built-in mic if you don't want to use an external one. Like before, there's even flow state stabilization plus 360-degree horizon lock, so even if you're into extreme sports, it can record it well. As for the battery, it uses a 1800 mAh battery pack that's rated for 180 minutes. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is priced at 24,990 pesos and 25,990 pesos with a dual battery option for the Philippine market. Rounding up the action cameras on our list is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Just like the two others that came before, the Osmo 5 Action 5 Pro is DJI's offering in the action camera market. This 2024, DJI made several improvements to this camera too. In its small body, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a new next-generation 1/1.13-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 155-degree lens, allowing users to capture more of the scenery. It can even record footage at 10-bit to match that of your camera. It records the maximum resolution of 4K at 120 FPS for standard recording, but it does have Super Night mode, which allows users to still shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS in very low light conditions. There's even a time-lapse mode function at your disposal. A 2.5-inch OLED rear touchscreen allows users to easily go through the menu and change settings, while a 1.46-inch front screen makes it easier to record vlogs or even check the angle of the camera if you don't have access to the rear screen. Users also have various stabilization options available: Rocksteady 3.0, Rocksteady 3.0 Plus, Horizon Balancing, and Horizon Steady. What we like about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is that it comes with 64GB of internal storage. It also has one of the biggest battery packs too, a 1950 mAh pack that can last up to 240 minutes. Not to mention it even has fast charging. Other features include Wi-Fi 6 for faster transfers and a 4nm chip. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is available in DJI's official Shopee store for the price of 22,190 pesos for the standard combo, while the Adventure combo, which comes with an Osmo Action multifunctional battery case and 3 extra batteries, bumps the price to 27,990 pesos. Now, let's move on to the actual cameras that you were waiting for, starting with the Sony A1 Mark II. The Sony A1 Mark II is one model that users have been waiting for, including myself, given how successful the original flagship A1 is. The A1 Mark II retains the 50.1 megapixel full-frame stack CMOS sensor from its predecessor, but now includes a dedicated AI processing unit found on the newer A7 and A9 models, along with pre-capture. It now comes with improved in-body stabilization with 8.5 stops at the center and 7 stops on the periphery. Being the best of both photo and video, users will have the ability to record video up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 120p with improved stability through dynamic active mode. For photographers, Hive Plus shooting now allows for a maximum of 30 FPS continuous shooting, and it now comes with better dynamic range along with lower noise. There are even 2 composite RAW shooting modes available if you choose to do so. But perhaps the best upgrade Sony made to the A1 Mark II is the addition of the 4-axis touchscreen LCD. This allows users to shoot more comfortably in a variety of positions. The viewfinder also gets an upgrade and now uses an OLED panel along with a deeper icon. Similar to the A9 Mark III, Sony also added a new shortcut button at the front of the camera for better controls and shortcut mapability. Connectivity upgrades include the new faster 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port, while a new VC-ZD1 charger supports dual battery charging. Best of all, it still uses an E-mount, meaning all the lenses you've used in the past will work on this new A1 Mark II. The Sony A1 Mark II is currently priced at $6,499 or roughly 390,000 pesos and will go on sale later this December. The perfect Christmas gift for yourself? Maybe. However, Sony isn't the only brand to launch a new model this year. Canon also revealed its new flagship mirrorless camera, the EOS R5 Mark II. Compared to its predecessor, Canon also made significant improvements to this new model. It continues to use the same 45 megapixel resolution as before, but uses a new sensor with a back illuminated stack design. What's also new is the Digic X processor that's now paired with a Digic accelerator processor. As such, the EOS R5 Mark II is now capable of shooting at a maximum of 30 FPS. The autofocus also received a major upgrade called the Dual Pixel Intelligent Autofocus System, which allows for better detection of subjects in both photos and videos. Specifically, there's a register people priority and action priority autofocus to focus on either a specific subject in crowds or on moving subjects. Users even get pre-shooting mode to help along with in-camera upscaling. To help users shoot better, there's also a new, larger viewfinder eyepiece and a slightly bigger 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen. For videographers, the EOS R5 Mark II can now record up to 8K at 60 FPS, and it also comes with a wide range of Cinema EOS level options for custom color profiles. Other upgrades include a new battery, a full-size HDMI Type-A port, and support for Wi-Fi 6. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II comes in 2 purchase options. The body-only configuration is priced at only 249,998 pesos. But if you want an RF 105mm f4 ISUSM lens included, the set retails for 329,998 pesos. Last on this list is the Leica SL3. Of course, this list wouldn't be complete without the mention of the Leica SL3 launched earlier this year. It's arguably the most expensive out of the bunch too, with an SRP of over 400,000 pesos for the body alone. And if you don't have lenses, well, that's something you'll have to add to your Christmas wish list. But going back to the Leica SL3, this camera features a 60.3 megapixel triple resolution CMOS sensor with a built-in 5-axis image stabilization with 15 stops of dynamic range and 14-bit color depth. Under the hood, it runs the new Maestro 4 processor, allowing users to shoot up to 8K 4K video. It even boasts a wide ISO range of 50 up to 100,000, making it more than capable for shooting in any kind of environment. There's also a new high-resolution 5.76 million dot OLED IRIS viewfinder paired with a tiltable 3.2-inch touchscreen display. Meanwhile, a new hybrid autofocus now features object detection AF on top of phase detection autofocus and contrast detection autofocus. Of course, it wouldn't be a Leica if it didn't feature an all-metal body, but despite that, it's now lighter too, weighing just 850 grams. It's also weather-sealed with an IP54 rating, making it a lot more usable outdoors. Again, this being a Leica, it is very expensive though. And the cost of the Leica SL3, well, it retails for 438,400 pesos for the body alone. As for the lenses, well, you probably will have to shell out another 6 digits for just one lens. So, that wraps up our top cameras of 2024 video. Out of all the cameras on this list, which ones are on your Christmas wish list? Better yet, would you add something else to this list? Whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. That's Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose. I'll see you guys in the next video.